Ryanair has apologized to outraged customers over its decision to cancel up to 50 flights a day for the next 6 weeks. The budget Irish airline has published the full list of affected flights, which includes 2024 services. Errors in allocating holiday leave to pilots and a sharp decline in schedule punctuality have been blamed for the cancellations. Up to 400,000 passengers are set to be affected, and many have already been left stranded from the sudden ordeal. Ryanair has agreed to pay eligible customers flight compensation, a bill which could mount to £18 million. But many customers will be disappointed to find their travel insurance policies do not cover the cancellations. Travel Insurance Explained has warned travelers about their limited rights in relation to the Ryanair crisis. Fiona McRae of Travel Insurance Explained said, "The majority of standard travel insurance policies will not cover you for accommodation and associated costs if your airline cancels your flight. They will only cover specific limited reasons for cancellation. So, unless your travel insurance policy specifically states that cover is provided for airlines canceling your flight, you will not be able to make a successful claim for this situation. We would urge anyone buying a travel insurance policy to look for one that provides cancellation cover for any cause beyond your control and you are unable to claim back from any other source. These policies may be slightly more expensive than standard policies, but that would be a couple of pounds well spent if you were affected by Ryanair cancelling your flights or a similar situation." Affected customers are urged to check individual policies to find out whether your travel insurance covers these cancellations. Whilst you may not be able to claim on your travel insurance, you may well be eligible for flight compensation. Under EU legislation, you can claim up to €250, £222, on cancelled flights up to 1,500 kilometers, which rises to €400, £355, for longer flight distances. The Commission for Aviation Regulation says your airline must provide at least 2 weeks' notice of a cancellation in order to avoid paying compensation. Those passengers with flights cancelled within the next 2 weeks could therefore be eligible. Ryanair has agreed to pay all required flight compensation to eligible passengers, a bill which could mount to nearly £18 million. If you think you are eligible for compensation from your cancelled flight, you can fill in the online form on Ryanair's website. This can be done at https://u261expensaclaim.ryanair.com. Claims are usually paid within a week or less if approved by the airline.